guys, sorry I lost my voice due to sickness. I'll explain without the task. So you're given a coin with probability 2 over 3 to land on heads. Here are on heads, and 1 over 3 to land on tails. It is, and you flip the coin, you should get tails and then followed by heads immediately. How many times do you expect to flip the coin? Yeah, so if you just, the probabilities are you flip it once, so it becomes first 1 over 3 you get tails, then second 2 over 3 you get heads, so 2 over 9. That's easy. Then look, if you have to do it for the second time, you must fail with the first time with the probability of 1 minus p1, and then you should succeed from your second time again with the probability 2 over 9. So 7 over 9 times 2 over 9. And then if you throw it a third time, you have to lose it 3 times, first time and second time, and then to start with the third time. It appears firstly that, you know, like you start here, you have probability p1 and there probability p2, and that there should be p2 somewhere here, but that is not the case. This is very important issue, guys, that, you know, you start here, you fail here with the probability p1 and you get 1 minus p1. I'll just write it like this, 1 minus p1 times 1 minus p1. You fail first time and with the probability of 1 minus p1. Then, guys, you move here to the second position, here, 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 and from this it starts to look like, again, if you are here, this is the same. You have 1 chance to fail and then 2 to succeed. If it is here, was just like here when you had here when you just started. 1 time you have to fail and 2 times succeed. So it's like basically times p2. All of this is p2 since you find yourself here. So again, fail one time with the probability 1 minus p1, not p2, times 2 over 9 to succeed here. So it brings us 7 over 9 squared. This is the hardest point of this. So then Pn, obviously the formula is like this. Then what do we check? We add all these total probabilities and they end up, geometric sequence, they end up at 1. Why is this important? Because it really should be 1, because you throw these coins until you get tails or heads. Sooner or later this will inevitably happen. If not, you throw again until this happens. So at some n you will win, no matter how much. So the total is 1. Then what do? We calculate expected value, 2 over 9 times 1 plus p2 times 2, and so on. And then how do we calculate it? We subtract from this e, we subtract this p. And so all these numbers, this 1 becomes 0, 2 becomes 1, and so on. They become smaller. It becomes kind of similar to this one. Then expression e minus p, we have to get rid of this 7 over 9. So we multiply by 9 over 7, which becomes, look, this 2 over 9 times 1 plus 7 over 9 in the power of 1, 2 over 9, 2. And then this 7 over 3 to the power less 2, 2 over 9 and 3, which is exactly e. So this becomes e again. And then look, p, the total probability of p is 1. Then we just make a very simple linear equation, we solve it, and we get e equals 4.5. And this finishes everything, guys. Just again, this very, very important moment, think of it. It's like when you get from like one girlfriend to other girlfriend, you like before that thought you dreamed of another girlfriend that it will be better, but if it is this girlfriend is bad, that one is good. But if you meet that one becomes this one, and this is always the same as it was. So this is what happens with flipping the coins as well. So don't change your girlfriend, it doesn't get any better. Right, guys, goodbye, all the best with your job interviews. Bye.